you're making daily improvements, you need to ensure that everyone has improvements every day. One of the most valuable things that you can do to ensure there is something to improve every day is to help people learn to see waste. When this occurs, people can go for daily Gemba walks or even observe the operations in their department each day and find opportunities to improve. Keeping track of these improvement opportunities is a whole nother story. One great way to capture improvement opportunities is to go for a Gemba walk at the Gemba and take with you the Tim Woods template. As you walk the factory, you can document the forms of waste that you see and then include possible improvements too. If you do this daily, you will gather quite a few opportunities that can drive your improvement journey. Another option is to take the opportunities you discover and transfer them to a Kaizen paper. Your Kaizen paper can include the date, the person who found the opportunity, the owner of the improvement, the root cause, the countermeasure, the estimated date of completion, and the actual date of completion. Keep in mind, though, that if you find something that you can improve quickly, you should just improve it. Do not create projects out of everything. Quick improvements that are small and simple yield large results over time. Your improvement list should be updated regularly, as it will help drive your improvement and pull system journey. Another very easy way to gather an improvement list is to go to the Gemba daily and let the team develop a list of all the improvements they find. A general place to start is with an improvement number, name, description, area, any contacts associated with the improvement, and a deadline. This list can help guide your improvement journey when implementing a pull system. Your list should include the steps that are necessary to completely implement pull in the chosen section. Now, before we go, we'd like to ask you a question that you can answer in the comments section or the upcoming assignments section. What ways can you think of to capture improvements? We look forward to reading your answers, and we'll see you in the next module.